They are similar in appearance to other common woodpeckers except that the wings covers are bright yellow golden. The waist is black, not red like that of a large woodpecker. The body surface is white and has black scales like spots. The throat and beak are black and have a faint white stripes that distinguishes them from the leaf woodpeckers of the same region. The neck is white and the sides have black spots. However, the scales like spots on its chest are thick and black. The eyes have a black stripes. The eyes are reddish brown and the ring around the eyes is green. Legs and feet are grassy green. Lip color is a mixture of horn-colored and black. The difference in appearance between male and female bird is their silver and comb color. Male woodpecker's bill and comb are bright red. The female woodpecker has a red comb but silvery black and white tips. Juveniles are dull like all other females. However, Candy does not have black parts like the female bird. Like other woodpeckers, the beak of the Bengal woodpecker is strong and wide. The tail is also short, strong, and suitable for sticking to tree branches. Its tongue is long and useful for pulling insects out of burrows. The bird has been recorded as having a white variation. Two male specimens found in the Western Ghats have red patches on their beaks. A specimen of a female woodpecker was found in Lucknow with beaked head curved like an estuary.